the struggle of doing the Vlogmas intro on the road. This it. Where did I kind of pass there? What about? So guys, if you're new to the channel, please go ahead to like, share, and subscribe. Every year I do all of this excitement to make sure the Vlogmas intro is done properly and nice and suit everybody. So you can go on. Suits everyone. So if you're new to the channel, please go ahead to like, share, and subscribe. This is a Vlogmas day 2. Yeah. Stop here. Oh, look. What's it doing now? And top right. Ready?
Fuck off.
Refresh me, come on.
Go. Go. Oh.
Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They say Saint Nick, but you got a bit in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, or in my bag, yeah. They say Saint Nick, but you got a bit in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, or in my bag, yeah. Frozen, neck is frozen. Catch me rolling, I'm the chosen. Snow is falling, Elfie's calling. Check my list twice, most of y'all done.
I make for you in a video.
Diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They say Saint Nick, but you got a bit in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, or in my bag, yeah. They say Saint Nick, but you got a bit in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, or in my bag, yeah. Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, and Vixen. Comet, Cupid, Donner, and Blitzen. No, I can't forget about the one with the red nose. When I fly high, my sleigh still stay 10 toes. Bring the beat, bring the cheese, put the lights up.
You ready?
Alright, we good.
Need no French tights, no Ebenezer. Don't believe it. Y'all need Jesus. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They say Saint Nick, but you got a bit in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, or in my bag, yeah. They say Saint Nick, but you got a bit in that bag, yeah.
Merry Christmas, guys.
Saint Nick, but you got up in that bag.
Merry Christmas, guys.
Racks in my sack, or in my bag, yeah. They said Saint Nick, but you got up in that bag. I got racks in my sack, or in my bag.
Merry Christmas, guys. You should have come close to me, please. Merry Christmas, guys. Alright guys, so I know in the Vlogmas intro you guys would have seen where only one of the what you call it again, the sleigh was on. That's just because I was lacking some batteries. I'm still lacking some batteries. One of the battery in this one is really not so well, so if you realize it's on but it's not on so well, right? It's not properly as this one, so get some new batteries for this one to make sure that it comes on as pretty as this one. And then I'm going to have it under the tree like this, or I'm not sure if I'm going to decor it and change it around. Probably put it somewhere in the living room, probably put it more up on it under the tree like that. And this is just my regular, it's a mat, but I use it as a kind of throw on a bench I have here. So this won't stay under the tree, but this is the vibe that I'm going for under the tree to get the white fur look under it, you know, that vibe. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. And remember, as I said in the Vlogmas video, well, in the tree decor video, I'm gonna go and collect my package with some new ornaments just to make the tree even more, you know, full, because there's a lot of spaces and I don't want to see the spaces, so I am going to, you know, fill it up. And this is a Pinterest inspired tree, guys. It's a Pinterest inspired tree. Also, I really wanted to use some more mint green, but it was really a task trying to get the mint green, as well as, remember I said I don't want to buy too much ornaments because I have the packages to pick up. So yes, I see the comments coming in about you guys love the intro, you guys love the tree. Really, so appreciate that, because you know we're still a growing community. We're trying to head to the top. And person that I have never seen comment before commented on the Vlogmas intro reveal, commented on the Christmas tree and all of that. So I really do appreciate it, guys. And remember, if you want my channel to be in existence for a longer time, if you enjoy my content, you have to go ahead and like the videos that I post. You have to like it, people. Like it, comment when you like it. Not even much like the comment, but like when you like it, YouTube knows that listen, this channel, it makes sense and we need to push it out further. I got these sleighs in a sled. Correct me if I'm wrong, please. I got these in Maxi. I keep on saying Maxi like I can't admit it. Maxi, because there's a restaurant in Maxi in Canada. Maxi. Got these in Maxi. Look, what did I say? 50% off. They were $2,800 and I got it 50% off, so I paid $1,400 for one. Would you guys buy it? Do you think it's overpriced? My house is in shambles. Like, if you guys remembered, this wall was not showing. If from any little clipping, this wall was not showing. It's because the curtain them take down for Christmas cleaning. That's in the process. I have the washed curtains over here. These are supposed to press. I washed them. And, you know, I have my Amazon packages that's showing my Christmas decor. I'm going to do a haul on that. All of these are Amazon packages, new things, the colors that I'm working with for this Christmas. Just new things, everything. Those cushions, they're out because, you know, I have cleaning and all that to do. So guys, do go ahead to like the video. All right, like the video. We want to make this Christmas a very merry one. Get me to 4,000 subscribers. All right, guys, so that's it for Vlogmas Day 2. How I created the intro and everything that happened. And we have to big up to Odin. Odin was the man behind the camera. You guys didn't listen and hear him talking. He was the man behind the camera, so we have to big up Boo. That's my babe. That's my supporter. All right, so main one on the team. All right, guys, so stay tuned. A lot more interesting content coming for Vlogmas. Do leave your comment down below on what you would love for me to put out this Vlogmas season, and I'll try to make it possible. All right, bye.